Joseph and Jolene, wave to me. Cheese.
Okay, this is the end. Stop.
Let her drive. Let her drive. She's all right. Let her drive. I want to get a video of her driving some more. That's okay. Let her drive some more. You drove all the way to the grocery store and back. Her driving isn't terrible. She's practicing. You gonna stop here and switch? You gonna let brother have a turn now? What are we doing, Joseph? Joseph, can you tell YouTube what you're doing?
We're just driving our Jeep, and Jolene is going to try to catch me. But
She's not going to catch you. Are you going to ride with him? Jolene, where are you going? Are you going to ride with him? Joseph's testing out his Jeep. Going on a Jeep ride. Stop so she can get in. Stop. Stop so she can get in, please. Joseph, stop so she can get in. Come on. Daddy, make him stop so she can get in, please. Brian, she wants to get in with him.
Hey, bring it back around so sister get in. No.
He's going that way through the garden, by the garden. He won't run over anything.
Here, this is C.
Here he comes. We're gonna have to stop him and make him let sister in. Hey, stop! 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 All right, sis, get in. Get that ring out of your mouth, by the way. Thank you. Go ahead and go. Take off. Show us how fast that Jeep goes. Is that on high speed?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, you're buckling sis in.
Get him, go get him, go. He'll move. He'll move. Trust me, he'll move. Watch. See, he'll move. He's like, car, man. Turn hard. It needs to be charged for long.
Yeah. Well, we rode it around the block to Grandpa's house and back. They did. This morning for breakfast, they wanted to ride the Jeep, so I walked and I let them ride the Jeep.
Turn hard.
I think they're caught. Caught on Greg's fence or something. Are you stuck? Give you a shot of my pool, guys. Pool's up. We're getting ready to jump in it after the kids work up a sweat here. Oh, Barn, you just dumped your whole water.
Yeah.
I just gave it to him too. Was he thirsty? Yeah, but he hasn't drank anything out of that bottle. I've checked it every day. It's the same level. I'll have to fill it up again for him. No, I just filled it up for him, put it in there before you came out here. Or maybe, yeah, when we just came out here.
Go, brother, go. You better get going, man. You gotta have all that.
Joseph's the Jeep driver, man. We had a big wildfire sticker I wanted to put on it at one time to make it look like a wildfire Jeep. Like the wildfire guys ride, huh? I was over there pulling weeds again too earlier, I know. I didn't get very much though because I started cutting all the broccoli. Yeah? What's wrong, Joe?
What's wrong, Joe?
And I hate to say this, I don't think this Jeep actually has a brand name anywhere on it. It just says Force 4x4 M5 Forceland on the back. But we bought this for Joseph a long time ago. Don't run over it! Stop, stop, stop! You're gonna run over it! Here. I'll get it. Put it in the back there. There you go. There's a flashlight. I'll put that in there too. There you go. It's pretty nice that it's got that little area on the back to store stuff. Because I'm not gonna lie, when yesterday the kids wanted to go on a Jeep ride, and I didn't have anything they wanted for lunch, so I said, let's drive up to the grocery store. And then I put my groceries in the back of his little Jeep, and he hauled them home for me. That was pretty nice. I didn't even have to carry him or anything. I was like, heck yeah. You want me to hook that hose up? Hold on. Sorry, YouTube. I'm gonna fill up Barney's water bowl since he dumped it again. Barn. Eat your vegetables, boy. What are you looking for, babe? Oh, you think you can't make it over that hose? That's Daddy's hose. You'll make it. Here. Take my phone for a second. Take my phone and tell them about your Jeep. Here, Jolene, do you want to tell them about it? You tell them about it.
We are having a fun ride.
You're having a fun ride, aren't you?
Yeah.
Oh, you keep putting your fingers in front of the camera. Here, hold it like that.
And we have a fun ride to go on a mission. Fun is harmony, and we're having a fun ride. Mommy, have your phone now. Yeah, have your phone. People showing you. Jeep. Oh yeah. Let's have somebody. This Jeep. Didn't let him sit back here. No. What did you do?
Hold on, I'll take my phone back, buddy.
No.
Thank you. Sorry, I let them hold my phone while I was getting some more water in the bowl for the rabbit here. Look where you're going, Joe! Where are you going? Hey, Barney. Here. And see, I bought him a water bottle because his previous owner told me, oh yeah, he'll drink out of a water bottle. I don't think he's drank any out of that. Barely. I mean, it was full, but I don't know how much he's drank, actually. What's wrong, Barney? You shedding? Come here, boy. Come over here and drink some water. Come on, boy. Drink some water. Here, you want me to put it here on the cage? Maybe you won't spill it there. If he wanted to drink, he'd drink it. Are you guys done with the Jeep? Is it dead? Oh, you have to push it. Okay, so we did. Okay, so you saw Joseph pushing the Jeep backwards. It is supposed to have a reverse function, and the reverse function does work. It did work when we had it all apart, and Grandpa was testing everything with the voltmeters and jumping from the battery directly to the wheel, engines, and motors and stuff like that. Because this Jeep's. When did Daddy get you this Jeep? Was it your 3rd birthday? Yeah. Jolene, you got to turn the wheel, honey. And you're getting back in here again. Here, let me push you back out. Anyway, so we had some problems. This Jeep worked for 2 years and then had it over the winter, you know, and pulled it out, charged the battery. Joseph got on it, started driving it, and it wouldn't work. You know, you put your foot down on the brake, or you put your foot down on the pedal, and the lights would light up on the front, and that was it. The wheels wouldn't turn, nothing. So my dad, aka their grandpa, we call him Grandpa for the kids, Took it all apart. Checking everything with the voltmeter, all the wirings from the front, all the way through the seats to the back. Found out he'd accidentally tripped a circuit breaker up by the engine part when he had plugged the battery in, and the little switch, the power switch was on, so it threw a circuit and it wouldn't work. And he messed around with that for 2 months to find out that's what happened. But he's got it going now for him, so that's all that matters. They're happy. And I'm going to say, if you have a chance to pick one of these up at a yard sale or on Facebook, Swap Shop or something. Hey guys, stop fighting. Don't push her out. If you have a chance to pick one up secondhand, do it, because this thing was like $250. And after we had all the problems we did, trying to figure out what was wrong with it, it kind of became a pain in the rear. But because it cost so much, I wasn't just going to go buy another one. Alright, well, you better steer now. You better steer. So I'm going to say, if you find one of these. Hey. Okay, Jolene, it's your turn. You're done. You're done. Jolene, you're done driving. Get out. It's Brother's turn. Brother's turn to drive. And, yep, you can sit on the other side. It does have little seat belts in it. They like to seat belt themselves in, so safety first, right, guys? Safety first. Help her get hers hooked in there, please.
That's mine. This is mine. No, that's mine.
Jolene, yours is down there too. Come on. Stop. Well, sit up. It's right there. Yeah. There you go. Now. Yes, I will. If you be careful and drive good. See, Joseph loves driving, man. He's really taken to it. He's really taken to it. Anyway, I'm going to say again, if you guys have a chance to pick one of those up, one of those electric vehicles up at a yard sale or at a flea market or somewhere, do it. It might take a lot of time to troubleshoot it, but it's worth it. Even though a new battery for it was $40. But still, they're having a blast, so. Thank you, guys. See if I can see him coming back over here past the pool. Jolene, wave to me. Wave, Jolene. But as you can see, they've done several laps here. Our video is 13 minutes long, and that thing's been drove the entire time. So the 12-volt battery in there really does last a while. It's worth it. So anyway, give us thumbs up, guys. Jolene, say give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up. All right, thanks, guys. See you later. Bye.